Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to do reverse image searching using labnel.org. So essentially what reverse image searching, for those of you that don't know what it is, it allows you to find images which are similar, or images, or like the source of an image, if you have one image. So for example, here I'll take an image of an apple, and what I'm actually going to do is take a screenshot of part of the apple. So now with the screenshot, I'm gonna click it in the box and I'm gonna upload this file. Now once I've uploaded the file, it'll prompt me to show matching images. So once I click on that, it'll open up Google Lens and it'll show similar images, as you can see here, other images of apples, and it'll actually show different websites with the source of the image. And then, so let's say you have this image, you could actually get the original image. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned something.